Google search Krakow free CAT mocks. Click on the first link. You can attempt 3 latest CAT mocks in the actual exam interface. After completing the test, you get detailed solutions, analysis, percentile along with your scorecard to gauge your all-India performance. Click on the solution to get video solutions from our expert faculty.
Hello everyone, welcome to Krakow video series. Master of Business Administration MBA is a highly demanded post-graduation degree in business management. There are various programs to develop essential business skills like management skills, leadership, communication skills, negotiation skills, etc. It provides a range of opportunities for career growth. Numerous colleges or institutes in India offers MBA programs in various fields such as finance, marketing, human resources, operations, entrepreneurship, etc. In order to get into the B schools of your choice, the first step to clear one of the entrance exams required by the particular institute. Now let us have a look at the list of top 10 plus MBA entrance exams that candidates must consider applying. Also, we will look into the exam patterns, important dates, and also the top colleges under each exam in detail. So let's get started. Common admission test. It is conducted by the Indian Institute of Management IIM. This is the most popular MBA entrance exam. However, the CAT score is primarily used to admit students for the 20 IIMs including old, new and baby IIMs. Also, many other top B schools accept CAT scores for admission to their institutes. Every year, more than 2 lakhs students are appearing for the CAT exam. Now, if you can look at the CAT exam pattern, there will be 3 sections. This is based on the 2021 exam pattern. There will be 3 sections. So firstly, we have verbal ability and reading comprehension with 24 questions, data interpretation and logical reasoning with 20 questions, and finally quantitative ability with 22 questions. So totally there will be 66 questions in the exam. So this is about the exam pattern of CAT 2022, which is based on CAT 2021. The mode of examination is online. Since 2020, the exam has moved to a 2 hours format. So the exam duration remains the same for the CAT 2022 also. The exam is going to be conducted on 27th November 2022. There are plenty of institutes that accept CAT score for admission to various MBA programs. The top MBA colleges including all the top 20 IIMs including Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Calcutta, etc. And also the MBA institutes such as FMS Delhi, SP Jain, MDI, IMI, IMT and 1000 plus other institutes. If you are preparing for CAT 2022, we are providing you with 1 month CAT crash course which includes 15 national level mocks, 200 plus concept videos, daily tests and so on. The link for the 1 month CAT crash course is given in the description, so please check it out. Next we have GMAT, Graduate Management Admission Test by the Graduate Management Admission Council GMAC for admission into the management programs offered by several foreign and national institutes and universities. Registration for GMAT is allowed throughout the year and the candidates can appear for the test up to 5 times in a single year. Now let us have a look at the exam pattern of GMAT in detail. The exam has 4 separated time sections. The candidates are tested in these following topics. Firstly, we have verbal reasoning with 36 questions, quantitative reasoning with 31 questions, integrated reasoning with 12 questions, and finally analytical writing assessment with 1 essay question. The mode of examination is online. The exam duration is 3 hours and 7 minutes. And the top colleges accepting GMAT scores in India: India School of Business, Hyderabad, SP Jain, MDA, Gurgaon, IMT, Core School of Management, LBSAM, Delhi, GIM, Goa, etc. Not only these institutes, also IIMs will accept the GMAT score only for 1 year MBA program. And next we have XAT, Xavier Aptitude Test, is one of the top MBA entrance exams in India and it is conducted by XLRI Jamshedpur. XAT exam is going to be conducted on 8th January 2023. The XAT score is also accepted in many MBA institutes for their admission process. Each year 1 lakh plus students appear for XAT. Now let us have a look at the XAT 2023 exam pattern in detail. The exam mainly consists of 5 sections. The paper 1 of XAT consists of verbal and logical ability with 26 questions, decision making section with 21 questions, quantitative ability and data interpretation section with 28 questions. So there are 75 questions in the part 1 paper of XAT, and the part 2 of the paper consists of general knowledge section with 25 questions and 1 essay writing. However, the GK section and essay writing is considered after only the shortlisted students for the XLRI courses. The mode of examination is online. The exam duration is 3 hours and 10 minutes. The exam is going to be held on January 8th, 2023, the top colleges accepting ZAT score including XLRI, Jamshedpur, XIMB, IMT, XIME, GIM Goa, Great Lakes, Force School of Management, and so on. So if you are preparing for the ZAT examination, we are providing you with an excellent ZAT crash course. The link for the ZAT crash course is given in the description, so please check it out. Next, we have IAFT, Indian Institute of Foreign Trade. The Indian Institute of Foreign Trade conducts the IAFT exam every year for the entrance into the MBA International Business Program in IAFT Delhi, Kolkata and Kakinada, which is a new campus. These institutes admit candidates into the Global MBA or MBA International Business, the flagship program of the institutes. Every year, around 60,000 students are appearing for this IAFT exam. This exam tests the candidates' aptitude skills from these 4 sections. Firstly, we have verbal ability and reading comprehension with 35 questions, logical reasoning and data interpretation with 30 questions, quantitative ability with 25 questions, and finally we have GK section with 20 questions. Totally, there are 110 questions in the exam. The mode of examination is online and the exam duration is 2 hours. The exam is going to be held on December 18th, 2022, and the top colleges accepting the IAFT scores including IAFT Delhi, Kolkata and Kakinada. We are also providing you with an excellent IAFT mocks and previous year's papers. The links for the IAFT mocks and previous year's papers are given in the description, so please check them out. Next, we have SNAP, Symbiosis National Aptitude Test. It is a postgraduate entrance examination conducted by Symbiosis International Deemed University for admissions into the 26 MBA programs offered at its 15 institutes. The admission of the students into the institutes that falls under Symbiosis International University. The students can take this exam 3 times a year. The exam tests the candidates' aptitude skills in these sections. Firstly, we have General English section with 15 questions, quantitative ability, data interpretation and data sufficiency section with 20 questions, and finally Analytical and Logical Reasoning section with 25 questions. So totally there will be 60 questions in the exam. The mode of examination is online. The exam duration is 1 hour. The exam is going to be held on 10th, 18th and 23rd of December 2022. The top colleges accepting the SNAP score including SIBM Pune, SCM HRD, SIIB Pune, SIBM Bengaluru and all the 12 other Symbiosis colleges. So if you are preparing for the SNAP, we are providing you with an excellent SNAP crash course. The link for the SNAP crash course is given in the description, so please check it out. Next, we have CMAT, Common Management Admission Test. CMAT is a popular national level MBA entrance examination conducted by the National Testing Agency (NTA). Each year, over 1.5 lakh students take the test. The CMAT tests the ability of the candidates in areas such as quantitative techniques, data interpretations, logical reasoning, language comprehension, general awareness, innovation and entrepreneurship. There will be 20 questions in each section and totally 100 questions will be given in the examination. The mode of examination is online. The exam duration is 3 hours. The exam is usually held on January. The CMAT 2023 notification is not yet released. However, the CMAT 2023 exam is expected to be held on ending week of February 2023. All the AICTE approved institutes or colleges accept the CMAT scores and some of the top colleges including SIMSRI, Great Lakes Institute of Management, KJ Somaiya, Velinkar Pumba, GIM Goa, Jaipuria, NL Dalmia and so on. We are also providing the CMAT mocks and previous year papers. The links for the CMAT mocks and previous year papers are given in the description, so please check them out. And next, we have Maharashtra Common Entrance Test or MAHCET. MAHCET, also known as MBA or MMS CET, is an MBA entrance exam conducted by the Directorate of Technical Education Maharashtra for the admission to various management courses such as MBA, MMS and PGDM in various institutes across Maharashtra. The MAHCET scores are accepted by more than 300 MBA colleges in India. Now let us have a look at the examination pattern in detail. Firstly, we have quantitative aptitude section with 50 questions, logical reasoning section with 75 questions, abstract reasoning with 25 questions, verbal ability and reading comprehension section with 50 questions. So totally there are 200 questions in the examination. The mode of examination is online. The exam duration is 2 hours and 30 minutes. The MAHCET 2022 is already conducted on 23rd, 24th and 25th of August 2022 and also the results has been declared. The top colleges accepting the MAHCET scores including Jamnalal Bajaj Institute of Management Studies Mumbai, SIMSRI, Velinkar, Pumba, Dalmia and so on. So if you are preparing for the MAH CET examination, we are providing you with MAH CET mocks. The link for the MAH CET mocks are given in the description. So please check it out. Next we have NMAT by GMAC. NMAT or Narsi Monji Management Aptitude Test by GMAC is also one of the popular MBA entrance exams in India. The NMAT is organized by the Graduate Management Admission Council GMAC. The candidates can appear for the exam up to a total of 3 times. And the best of the 3 scores will be considered for the admissions. The exam tests the candidates' aptitude skills from these sections. Firstly, we have language skills section with 36 questions, quantitative skills section with 36 questions, and finally logical reasoning section with 36 questions. Totally, there are 108 questions in the examination. When it comes to the mode of examination, the candidates have the option to take the test either online proctored exam from home or as online exam at a test center. The exam duration is 2 hours. The candidates can take the test in a 75 days testing windows from 10th October to 19th December 2022. The top colleges accepting the NMAT scores: Narsi Monji Institute of Management Studies, NMIMS Mumbai, SP Jain for PGM PW program, SDA Bakoni Asia Center, etc. and so on. So if you are preparing for the NMAT, we are providing you with NMAT crash course. The link for the NMAT crash course is given in the description, so please check it out. Next we have TISNET, Tata Institute of Social Sciences National Entrance Test. TISNET is a popular entrance exam conducted by the Tata Institute of Social Sciences for all the master's programs offered in TIS Mumbai and all its campuses across the country like Tuljapur, Hyderabad, etc. The exam tests the candidates primarily on their English proficiency, mathematics and logical reasoning, general awareness skills. The English proficiency has 30 questions. For the mathematics and logical reasoning, there will be 30 questions. And finally, for the general awareness section, there will be 40 questions. Totally, there are 100 questions in the examination. The mode of examination is online. The exam duration is 100 minutes, that is 1 hour and 40 minutes. The TISNET 2023 notification is not yet released. However, it is expected on final week of January 2023. The top colleges accepting the TISNET scores: Tata Institute of Social Sciences, TIS Mumbai and all its campuses. Also, we are providing the TISNET mocks. The link for the TISNET mocks is given in the description, so please check it out. And next we have SRCC GBO Global Business Operations is a management entrance exam for the postgraduate management program offered by Shriram College of Commerce, SRCC Delhi University. The exam gives an opportunity to the candidates to pursue PGDM in Global Business Operations program at SRCC Delhi University. The exam tests the candidates primarily on these 4 sections. The sections including English comprehension and language ability with 40 questions, quantitative ability with 40 questions, logical ability with 40 questions, data interpretation section with 40 questions. Totally, there are 160 questions in the examination. The mode of examination is online. The exam duration is 2 hours and the exam is expected to be held on the first week of March 2023. We are also providing SRCC GBO previous year's papers PDF for free. The link for the SRCC GBO previous year's papers is given in the description, so please check it out. And next we have MAT, Management Aptitude Test, which is also a popular MBA entrance exam in India. It is a national level MBA entrance exam conducted by the All India Management Association to offer admission to different management programs across the country. The exam will be held 4 times a year. The exam tests the candidates primarily on these sections. The sections including the language comprehension section with 40 questions, intelligence and critical reasoning section with 40 questions, data analysis and sufficiency section with 40 questions, mathematical skills section with 40 questions, and finally Indian and global environment section with 40 questions. So totally there are 200 questions in the examination. When it comes to the mode of examination, there are 3 modes in the test: computer based test, paper based test and the internet based test. The exam duration is 150 minutes, that is 2 hours and 30 minutes. And the exam will be held 4 times a year, that is on August, September, November and December. The top colleges accepting the MAT scores including SDMIMD Mysore, Jaipuria Institute of Management, BIMTech, JIMS, NDIM New Delhi Institute of Management and 400 plus MBA colleges across India. We are also providing the MAT previous year's papers PDF for free. The link for the MAT previous year's papers is given in the description, so please check it out. So these are the top MBA entrance exams you must consider applying. Apart from this, if you have any doubts regarding CAT, XAT, NMAT, SNAP, or any other MBA entrance exams, you can ask your doubts on our webpage called Krakow Adda, where you can post your doubt and your doubt will be resolved by the experts. And also you will be notified whenever your doubt get resolved. The link for the Krakow Adda is given in the description, so please check it out. So thank you so much guys and all the best.